Design metric thread in Inventor. Step 1. Find out the standard pitch size based on the size of the diameter. Step 2. Create the sketch. Activate line command. Draw a vertical line. Then complete the thread profile of the tooth. Make sure this two line has got vertical relations. Make the other two line equal. Angle for metric thread is always 60 degrees. Always keep the thread profile above the stud, adding 1 or 2 mm. Now go to project geometry. Project this line. Make this line and this line collinear. Now let's add the thread height. Thread height is always equal to 5 into pitch, 1.5 into 0.866 divided by 8. This is the pitch for thread height for metric thread. The relationship between thread height and pitch is 5 into 1.5, which is the pitch, 0.866 divided by 8. Click OK. Now add the root of the thread, which is always pitch divided by 4. Now exit the sketch. Activate coil command. For the axis, select the y-axis, and for the pitch 1.5, the thread height 20. Click OK. So this is M10 by 1.5 pitch screw thread. Thank you for watching.